The holiday season is one that is usually filled with emotions, some of those positive, others not so much. The question for many is it possible to maintain happiness and health during the frantic holiday season? Today we are joined by Dr. Rachel Haley from HCA Midwest Health to discuss how you can survive the holiday season without putting your physical and mental health at risk. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Thanks so much for being with us. We've all been there before, I think, during the holiday season. It's so easy to get caught up in those social obligations, late nights baking or decorating, and that feeling that you just absolutely have to do it all. So what are some of those tips that you have to tackle holiday stress?
First off, I think we need to lower our expectations.
Yes.
We try to do so much and expect so much of ourselves during this time of the year. And we just need to relax and lower those expectations. You know, take a break, take a breather, realize things may not go as planned, and, you know, allow ourselves just that time to relax and spend time with our family and friends and remember the joyous season.
So it is a joyous season for many of us, but for some people, the holidays can cause a lot of anxiety and depression and some of those difficult feelings. What are some of the best ways to cope with sadness?
Oh, the holiday blues is a very real phenomenon. And again, you know, lower those expectations. We can't cram everything into those few short weeks. We've got to limit, you know, it's okay to say no, not getting those holiday cards out this year. And, you know, the seasonal affective disorder actually affects many people and they don't realize it. You know, seasonal affective disorder is triggered by the changing of seasons and diminishing sunlight. So, you know, talk to your healthcare provider if you're feeling those symptoms associated with it, like low energy, sadness, difficulty sleeping or concentrating. You know, treatments may include medication, counseling, even light therapy.
All good thoughts for sure. And what about staying active during the holiday season?
First off, try to stick with your routine, even if you travel for the holidays. And one way to do that, if you're feeling overwhelmed, is shorten your workout. And we think, oh, I can't do that. But any form of movement is better than nothing at all. So, you know, a quick 5-minute walk or stretching or a core routine, you know, can be so good for our physical and mental health. And, you know, maybe switch up from the solo routine to include family. Go for a hike in a park or go ice skating or roller skating, pickleball, anything, you know, will be movement and it will help our mental health and we can stay more positive.
And obviously, holiday season and flu season just go absolutely hand in hand. Is it too late for someone to get their flu shot?
Absolutely not. While I do recommend getting vaccinated as soon as the vaccine is available, there's still time to get your flu shot, but don't delay. You know, it takes 2 weeks for that flu shot to become effective. So if your kiddo or your friend or your work colleague is sniffing and sneezing and coughing near you, watch out. You know, the flu vaccine is very effective. It decreases flu illnesses by 75%, and it's recommended for kiddos 6 months of age and people older than that. So it can actually decrease hospitalizations by 60% and death by 80%. And the Kansas City area ERs and hospitals are full, so anything you can do to protect yourself or your loved one and keep them out of those places is a really, really good idea.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being with us today. A lot of great information. And of course, you can give yourself the gift of holiday wellness. For resources on keeping your physical and mental health in balance or to schedule your vaccine shots, go to hcamidwest.com.